ding dong. Who's that? Let's go and sit on the sofa. Hello, kids. We're back again.
We're back again. Oh dear, how did you do that, Amber? Tell them.
On the tray, nursery thing.
Oh
The
gosh.
tray.
On the tree. On the tray?
Yeah.
Was it the water tray?
Can't have the bath for shower.
Not yet, can you?
Look.
So you're going to tell them
Winky.
they've missed your sweet. Have you had another malwam?
What's it? Oh, no. Can you
I've put it in the bin, darling.
It's green apple today.
Oh, beautiful. Look at her. So what are we reading tonight, Amber?
Let me show you a bit.
Wow, look at all the pictures. What's it called? Sofa dog.
Yeah, Mummy read it.
You like dogs, don't you?
I wish I see a Phoebe downstairs holding a rabbit.
Did she?
Yeah, it was at her home.
Was it what colour was it?
It was
Was it white or brown?
black and white.
Was it?
Hmm?
Do you like rabbits?
Yeah. I wish I could pick them up.
Well, tell them what pets have you got?
I got Millie.
And what is Millie?
You can come out of our house.
Mhm.
Are you scary?
Mhm.
You can't get out of our house.
Mhm. Not scary. Millie is a black and white tabby cat who's very famous. Go and have a look. MillieMoosTheCat.com. Ask your mummy to go on the internet and type in Millie Moos the Cat.
Okay.
Yeah? Right.
With Millie, please.
Yeah, exactly, darling. But this is not a
I liked it.
This is not a story about a cat, is it?
Nice dog.
This is a story
You need
about
to
a
try.
dog. Darling, please don't. No, don't plug that in. Thank you. Here we go. It's a story about a dog. You probably got a dog or cat. Have you?
Dog.
She's got a doggy. She's got a doggy. We're on her bummy. We're on her bummy.
Yeah.
A dog, a cat, a rat-a-tat-tat.
Dad.
Hey, only doggy, have you got a doggy? Oh, in the boggy, nungy doggy doggy. A rat-a-tat-tat, a rat-a-tat-tat, a rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Boo!
Again.
No, come on, we've got to get this done. What's that in your hair? Hang on, come here. Let me see. Wait a minute, it looks like a bug.
Is it?
Let's see. What is it? Put your hand out.
Ah!
Oh, it's a bit of fluff. It looked like a spider. But it's not. It's a bit of fluff.
No.
Off of Daddy's sock. See? Yeah, go away. Sofa dog. One dog, one sofa, and no room. Looks like a spider. But it's not. It's a bit of fluff. This is me.
It's hanging on your face.
This is me.
It's hanging on your ear.
This is me.
That's you.
That's me. Look at look at his eye, Amber. Look at his eye.
Can
Look
you
at
do
his
this?
eye. Can you do that? Do this. Look.
Wow! Ah. Did you
Look
do
at-
it?
Yeah, they did.
Oh.
Yeah, Amber, look at his eye. Darling, can you leave it? Ooh, wee, ooh, wee. Look at her face. Look at her eyes. Oh, babes. Yucky doos. Right. Can you stop, please? Put your legs down.
I'll jam it off.
It's all right. Leave it. Leave it. Thank you.
I'm going to stroke that dog.
Amber.
I'm going to stroke
Amber. Stop.
that.
No, this is not funny. Right, I'm putting the book away until we're going to be better behaved. What do you want to do?
Well, listen at kids.
Okay. We'll have no book tonight then. We'll have to read it tomorrow night.
No.
Are you going to be better?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm going to stroke doggy day. I'm going to stroke that dog.
Stroke the dog then.
No, inside a book.
Stroke him. Oh, he don't like me. Give me a little stroke on his head. Look at his big wet nose.
You do this. Draw him.
Oh wow. This. Finish picking? This is my sofa.
I can sit this for Can you see me? Oh, he's right there.
And when I say my sofa, I mean my sofa. There's no room for anybody else.